Meron kaming new alaga. Halika dito. Uy, why are you afraid? Ayan siya guys. Bago namin puppy. Call me puppy. Puppy. Arf, arf. Nagkakamrot siya. Naman ng kamrot. Ilalaro mo naman yung beads. Si Miguel. Miguel! Oh, Miguel is approaching. Oh, si Miguel. Yung place naman niya is color pink. Pero, ang gender niya is male din. Yun lang talaga binili ko. Because I love pink. Diba? And let's look for Mikey. Na is currently sick. Wait lang. Hanapin natin. So, ito si Mikey. And he is currently sick. Hindi po ganyan yung face niya dati. I'm telling you guys, hindi siya ganyan dati. And see, there's a small paw here. Kasi para siya ka na palang the mother of the dragon cherries. And that's it po. Goodbye. Peace you.